Hey guys, it's John from Clean and Shiny. Today we're going to be looking at the Rokit R1 forced air car dryer. Here it is, the Rokit dryer. This is a 2200 watt dryer. Comes with a 5 meter hose, 5 meter cable, a separate heating function. Let's get it open. So first off, we got the 5 meter cable. Just put that there. Got your one drying, 1 point drying, just put them like that. Then we got the dryer itself. Finally, enjoy some instructions. So, there's the dryer. Comes on a set of wheels. Connect the hose to the dryer. Whichever nozzle you want, you've got a minimum, maximum, and then you've got straight air or heated air. As we said, the nozzles, a couple of bits of paperwork to go with it. The one that tells you all about what it is with its built-in wheels, adjustable airflow. Then we've got your instruction book. The warranty, I believe, is inside the instruction book. You get a 1-year warranty with this product. Oh, and also you get a spare seal to go inside either one of these nozzles, so just in case the seal gets damaged, it's there. And yeah, that's it. They're available in about a week's time. They're going to be £169. Keep an eye on the website, follow our socials, and of course, like, subscribe, and smash the bell on YouTube. And I will see you next time. Thanks, guys. The last thing I need to tell you about this is obviously how quiet and noisy it is. So I thought I'd connect it all up, turn it on. It's not actually too bad. Turn it up to high powered. Oops. There you go. That's how noisy it is.